Assalamu Alaikum. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In second lesson, we will read from this letter, because in first lesson we read, from Alif till Ain. Okay, till Ain. Okay, we were learning how to pronounce these letters, the alphabets, Arabic, letters. So we reached here. Today we will start from Ain. Okay, how to read it, how to read them, how to pronounce them. This is very important. Listen it carefully, and then I will talk about these boxes where we can some letters are we can see group of letters they have given in different boxes. Okay, we will talk about them also inshallah once we finish it. Okay, this one Ghain. Okay, this is Ghain. Ghain is heavy letter. As I told you in first lesson, the green letters, all green letters in this qaida, in this book, they are heavy letters. The green, color is saying that these letters are heavy letters. Okay, Ghain. How to say it? Gha. Gha. The sound is Gha. O shape. Okay, your mouth should be like O shape, and then Ghain, like this. Ghain. Ghain, and stretch it. Ghain, not Ghain. Not gain. Ghain. Ghain. Okay. In English, we use GH for Ghain. There's no, a particular or very exact, pronunciation for this letter. So therefore, we have to do practice and try to make the real one. Okay. Ghain. This one is very simple. Fa. F in English for fa. F. And Qaf. One more important letter, because there is no pronunciation for Qaf properly in English. We use Q for Qaf, Q, but Ka, Qaid, Qaid-e-Azam, and Qaf, Q. So not proper. You need to practice. You need practice. Okay, keep practicing on these letters, which are very important, like a Ghain, then Qaf. Ghain, Qaf. From where? From end of your mouth, I think, the very starting of your throat. Okay, where we breathe from, we breathe from our nose. Okay, the nose breath area at the end of your mouth, I think. Okay, so you can see the end of your tongue when you touch it. Okay, with the upper side of your mouth, it will be off. You will pronounce off. Okay, qaf. See what difference between kaf and qaf? Kaf is very simple. K for sometimes C, some from K for kaf in English. Okay, but qaf is very important. O and kaf. Qaf, kaf. I will show you the picture and the photos also. Inshallah, it will be helpful for you to read them properly. Okay, so I will show you once we have done this one. Qaf, kaf. Qaf, O shape, because this one is heavy also. Qaf, kaf, very simple. This one is lam, very simple. L for English, in English. Okay, lam for lam. Okay, meme is also very simple. M for meme. Okay, meme. Noon, also simple. So we won't waste our time for those letters which are very simple and we can easily read them. Okay, there's no problem. Wow, some people say wow. Lower lives in upper teeth. Wow. So that is not proper pronunciation. So the proper one is wow. Circle your mouth like wow for W. Okay, W and V. Ha, very simple. Ha. Take a breath. Ha, very simple. Okay, don't miss ha and ha, because most of people they pronounce ha as ha. Okay, so ha is with stress. You need power. Ha, but this one is ha, very simple. That is ha. Okay, Hamza sound is, what is the Hamza? This is Hamza. Okay, we call it Hamza, but when you pronounce it, when you read it, the sound will change, like ah. Stop your breath. Ah. And don't mix up with Ain. Okay, Hamza and Ain are totally different in Arabic, and we pronounce ain as a hamza in other language. So ain sound is a. We are not stopping. There is no break. There is no stop in ain. The sound is circulating. And ain. But hamza, break. Stop the sound. Breath. Okay. Hamza. Ya in ya. Okay. Ya. So finished. Let's do once more in 2 minutes. Okay. I will read and you have to follow me. Okay. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ra, dal, ذال را ذا سين شين صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا. And now we will talk about these letters, the group of letters you can see in different boxes, and they have given, different colors. So what are these letters actually? Yes, these letters are soft letters, see? So most of important, I will show you, okay, which are important from these boxes. So we will try to memorize them because these are very helpful, they're saying actually, Tajweed rules, I think. The first box is saying there are 3 letters, va, then, tha. So what do you think? Why these letters are together here? Va, then, tha. Because these are soft letters, narm huruf. Okay? Va, tha, dhal, and tha. So in soft letters, what we do, I told you, we, use edge of our tongue and upper teeth to read them. Like va is heavy also. Va, then, tha. So soft letters are 3. Okay? Keep them in your mind. Siti wale huruf. The second letters is those letters which are whistle letters. We call them whistle letters. When we read, we, actually pronouncing and reading these letters with whistle sound, like sword, the scene. So therefore, they get these 3 letters in a box, and we, give a name. Okay, they suggested our name for them. Siti wale huruf, the whistle sound letters, whistle letters. And this one is also one of very important, rule in Tajweed. Qalqala means bounce. You can say bounce. Okay, how to bounce? So some letters, when they are sakin and they have sukoon, we have to bounce. Okay, bounce means like, how many letters are there? The bounce letters are 5. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. We call them huruf qalqala. The qalqala letters are 5. Qaf, ta, ba, jim. Qutubu, jad. I will make a word to make it very easy, okay, to memorize and to, learn. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Whenever these letters are sakin, they have sukoon, these will be bounced, like alqa. Okay, if you put hamza before qaf, and qaf will be sakin. Alqa, ilqa, alqa, ab, aj, ad. So these are very important. The second box, okay, second line, first box is very important. This is talking about the throat letters. Okay, there are 3 steps in throat, 1, 2, 3. And 6 letters are, belong to your throat. So we create them from our throat. You pronounce them from your throat. So from your lower throat, from here, okay? From here. So you pronounce these 2 letters, hamza and ha. A, e, u, ha, he, ku. Then middle throat, from your middle throat, you pronounce ain and ha. Don't have any dot, both has, both does both are without dot. So ain, a, ha, hu. Most important letter in Arabic, okay? Ain and ha. And the last 2 letters are ghain, both has a dot, and both are heavy letter also, heavy from here. See, from here. So gha, ghi, ghu, gha, khi, hu, gha, khi, hu. And the second, box is talking about the heavy letters in Arabic. There are only 7 letters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how to memorize them, which is very simple. Okay, swad, swad, dod, dod, dha. They are coming in a line. Okay, in order. These 4 letters in order. Okay, memorize them. And then ghain from upper throat letters. Ghain upper throat. The last one, qaf is the last one. Okay, 7 letters are heavy. Whenever you see these letters, you don't need to, see if they are green or not. If you have the rule, you have to apply. Okay, you are reading the Tajweedi rules, colorful Quran or not, the simple Quran. If you have these rules in your mind, okay, if you remember, so you can apply them. Okay, so these letters are heavy letters. We call them huruf isti'la, and these are huruf halqi, throat letters, 6 letters from 3 steps. And these are soft letters. 3 letters are soft, and whistle letters are 3 also, and qalqala letters are 5 qalqalas letters. So I think this is very important, and try to note them and try to memorize these letters. Inshallah, it will be very helpful for you. So I think it is enough for today. If you think this is helpful for you, so don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Okay, see you inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz, Jazakallah.